I bought and tested these laptops for photo editing, so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. As someone who loves to play around with photos, I've narrowed down the top 5 budget-friendly options that won't break the bank. Let's dive in and see which laptop fits your creative needs.
Product number 1. Acer Nitro V Gaming Laptop, i7-13620H. When I first unboxed the Acer Nitro V, I was struck by its sleek black design. The moment I powered it on, I could feel the power of the Intel Core i7-13620H processor. This laptop isn't just a gaming powerhouse, it's perfect for photo editing too. I started with Adobe Lightroom and was impressed by how smoothly it handled large RAW files. The 16GB DDR5 memory made multitasking effortless. I could have multiple applications open without any lag. The 15.6-inch FHD display with a 165 Hz refresh rate brought my photos to life, showcasing vibrant colors and details that I had never seen on my old laptop. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050 graphics card took the visual experience up a notch, making editing sessions feel like a breeze. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. The weight of the Nitro V is a bit on the heavier side, which might not be ideal for those on the go. Also, the battery life could be better, especially when you're deep into editing work. But if you're someone who values performance over portability, the Nitro V is a fantastic choice. Why buy the Acer Nitro V? If you're serious about photo editing and want a laptop that can handle heavy workloads without breaking a sweat, this is the one for you. With a powerful CPU, ample RAM, and a stunning display, it offers exceptional value for its price.
Product number 2. Acer Nitro V Gaming Laptop with i5-13420H. Next up is the Acer Nitro V featuring the Intel Core i5-13420H processor. Right out of the box, I noticed its balance between power and price. For photo editing, this laptop performed admirably. It might not have the i7, but the i5 still holds its ground when handling photo editing tasks. I opened Photoshop and was able to work on multiple layers without any hiccups. The 8GB DDR5 RAM is decent, but I found it a bit limiting when I had multiple apps open. That said, the 512GB SSD ensured that file access was snappy and I could get my work done quickly. The 15.6-inch FHD display is vibrant, but I did notice a slight color discrepancy compared to higher-end models. It's fine for most editing tasks, but if you need perfect color accuracy, you might want to consider a calibration tool. The laptop is also relatively lightweight, making it easier to carry around. So, why should you buy this model? If your budget is tighter and you still want solid performance for photo editing, the Acer Nitro V with an i5 processor is a strong contender. It strikes a good balance between cost and capability, making it a smart choice for aspiring photographers.
Product number 3. Asus VivoBook Laptop. Now, let's look at the Asus VivoBook with its 14-inch FHD display. This laptop is a game changer for those on a serious budget. I was pleasantly surprised by the performance of the Intel i3-1215U processor. For basic photo editing, it handled tasks like cropping and color adjustments without any struggle. The 16GB RAM was a standout feature for me. It allowed me to work on my edits while keeping several browser tabs open for reference. The 512GB SSD is just the cherry on top, providing ample space for my growing photo library. However, there are some trade-offs. The screen is on the smaller side, which might not be ideal for everyone, especially if you're working on detailed edits. The brightness level is decent, but it could be challenging when working in well-lit environments. Why buy the Asus VivoBook? If you're a beginner or someone who occasionally dabbles in photo editing, this laptop provides surprising performance at an incredibly low price point. It's perfect for those who need portability without sacrificing too much power.
Product number 4. HP Stream 14-inch HD Bright View Laptop. Next, we have the HP Stream, another budget-friendly option that caught my eye. With an Intel Celeron N150 CPU, I approached this laptop with cautious optimism. After testing it for basic photo editing tasks, I found it surprisingly capable. It's not going to replace a high-end device, but for quick edits and social media uploads, it does the job well. The 16GB RAM is impressive for this price range, and it allows for smooth multitasking, something I always look for when editing. The 14-inch HD Bright View display is adequate, but don't expect breathtaking graphics. It's more suited for light editing and viewing. If you're a professional photographer, this may not meet your standards. However, the laptop's lightweight design and decent battery life make it a great option for students or casual users. So why buy the HP Stream? If you're looking for an ultra-affordable laptop that can handle basic photo editing and web browsing, this is a solid choice. It's a practical solution for those who don't need a powerhouse but still want a reliable machine.
Product number 5. HP Stream 14 HD Bright View Laptop Gold. Lastly, we have the HP Stream in a chic gold finish. It features the same specs as the silver version, so my experience was similar. The Intel Celeron N150 processor and 16GB RAM continue to deliver decent performance for light photo editing tasks. I appreciate the stylish look, which adds a bit of flair to the overall package. The 288GB storage is more than adequate for my files, although it's still limited compared to bigger SSDs. Like its silver counterpart, the display is geared more towards casual use. While editing photos, I found it sufficient for basic tasks, but color accuracy isn't its strong suit. If you're someone who prioritizes aesthetics along with functionality, you might appreciate this gold option. Why buy the gold HP Stream? If you want a stylish, budget-friendly laptop for light photo editing and general use, this could be the perfect match. It's practical, easy to carry, and gets the job done without costing you a fortune.